If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain little shot glass into this very unique, customized, spiked shot glass, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video, I'm going to be adding some spiked cone embellishments to this shot glass that I purchased like a set of 24 off Amazon for probably about 18 bucks. I'm going to be using 8mm studs and 10mm, and UV resin is going to be my glue. I'm going to be using it as a glue. It has a very strong hold, and the great thing about it too, it locks on in seconds. So I'm going to take this wax pickup stick, and for the first row, I decided to do all 10mm. So I'm just going to do 2 at a time. I was going to try to do more, but once they start to slide, and if they're not right once you put them under the light to cure, the little lamp, then they're kind of stuck how they are. So you may think doing 1 dot at a time and then putting it under the lamp takes a long time, but it actually doesn't take that long, and you kind of want to just make sure it's right. Now, once you have your full bottom roll on, you kind of don't have to worry about the studs kind of sliding downward off of the bottom of the shot glass. So you'll see, as I got to the second row, I was more comfortable, and they were a smaller size. I was more comfortable adding multiple to kind of move the process along a little quicker. At the bottom row, I probably used about 10, no more than about 12 studs at the bottom.
Started already. This has 8mm, and there's like a little bit of spacing. That's the only thing. It started to slide and I didn't realize it. It's not too noticeable, but it's noticeable. I'm going to just continue to do the second row with that 8mm. I was trying to get more done at a time. I really prefer to do 1 at a time to kind of make sure the spacing is right, because once you lock this on, it's really on. But it still looks really good. And I'm just going to...
So here I am on the second row, and like I was telling you, I just wanted to give it like a different little vibe here. I was gonna go all 10mm, but once I realized I had some 8mm, I said, why not do both? So every row has a different size, like every other. Or you could do a scatter method, it's up to you. This does not take long at all, and it's actually, I would say this is a beginner friendly. I would say so. And yes, you will need an LED UV lamp. You can get these on Amazon. I paid about 25 bucks for this one, and it's a really good one so far. And once you put 1 stud on, rhinestone, or whatever you're using this with, it locks on almost instantly. And then of course, once you're finished, you just leave it under the lamp a couple more times, roll it on all sides just to make sure it's fully cured. This was a gift for a speaker at an event that I went to, a 3-day course. And this was one of the main speakers, and I just wanted to make him something that was nice and memorable, just as a thank you gift. I'm almost finished, you guys. I'm going to reveal it to you in a second. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. I absolutely love this, for one, because even when I typed in Google, you know, just to do a search, I couldn't find anything like this. I'm not going to say I invented this look, but I never saw it done before. So that's one of the reasons why I really thought it'd be a cool idea to do this. I actually did one of these last year. I did it with gold spikes. Someone had ordered some some Grey Goose shorty bottles to put on top of a birthday cake. And I just threw in a shot glass as like a customer appreciation gift, because I thought it would be cute to have a shot glass match those Grey Goose bottles, just to do it. And plus I wanted to see how it was going to turn out, and it was super cute. But I really like the silver little studs better. I do. I like them better. So you guys, if you know someone who's like really into shot glasses and they have all these cute, like unique shot glasses, you know how people go on vacation and wherever they go, they pick up like a crazy different type of refrigerator magnet or a shot glass. This will be the perfect gift for them. And Christmas is right around the corner. I think this will make an amazing stocking stuffer, or a birthday gift, or whatever gift you think, like housewarming gift. This is definitely a statement piece. This is something someone's gonna see on your table or on your bar like, wait a minute, where did you get that? Is that gonna hurt my finger? And if you're wondering if it's gonna hurt your finger, I definitely would use caution. I would just hold it from the top part if you're gonna use this shot glass. I wouldn't say they're super like dangerous, but if you squeeze it, maybe it'll hurt. You know, I didn't try anything crazy like that with it. It's fairly dull. It's not like a needle, you poke it and you're instantly going to bleed. So if that's something you're wondering, maybe I wouldn't have a child play with it, you know, something like that. And a lot of you also like to ask me, what would I charge for something like this? Now, this is something like I said, I've never saw this done before. So if I wanted to say, oh, $35, I could. But for this shot glass, and I probably would sell them in like sets of 2, me personally, I would say about $25. That's what I'm thinking, about $25. For one, at least 15. You don't want to undercut yourself, especially for something that's not like really popular out there. I'm showing you how to do this because I like to show people how to do things. So this would be great to have on your pop-up shop table. Like I said, it makes a great unique gift. If you're going to a birthday party and you pull out your gift at the dinner table or at the little party, everybody's looking like, oh, where'd you get that from? That's cute. That's unique. It's just something like really unique. Or if someone is into grunge or gothic things and they like to wear spikes on their boots or their jackets, this would be an amazing gift for someone like that. Also, I'm just trying to think of any questions that you may have that I could just think of. I try to make sure I answer all of your questions anyway in the comment section. Oh, just in case you're wondering, why did I use the UV resin? I was playing around with it one day making some croc charms, and I just noticed that UV resin, it is so super strong. And like if you're in a hurry making something, I wouldn't use it for everything, no. But for certain things, like if you want to put something heavier on a bottle or something, that's definitely what you want to use because it locks instantly. Like you could probably make this in about 30 minutes if you like move kind of like quickly. Or if you do, what did I do? I did about 4 or 5 rolls on here. If you want to do like maybe 2 rolls, you can knock this out in like a really good time frame. You know what I'm saying? Also, the very first one I did, I actually did use E6000. Let me tell you how that went. It took a long time to finish it. Let me tell you why. E6000 does not cure instantly, as you may know. I had to do the first roll first, but they kept sliding because these spikes are kind of heavy. You know, they kept sliding, so I had to just make sure like it dried. I had to make sure it fully dried, or at least almost 80% dry before I could start the second roll. Once that bottom roll was dry, I was able to complete the whole shot glass because I didn't have to worry about gravity pulling down the very bottom roll. So once I had that sturdy, it was fine. So if you have E6000 and you don't have a UV lamp and UV resin and you're not comfortable with all that, don't be deterred from wanting to do this DIY. You can still do it with your glue that you have. What I'm basically doing here is just showing you a quicker way to get it done, you know? So thanks you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, please. Share it on Facebook. Share it somewhere so it can get out there to support this channel. I just recently reached 20,000 subscribers, and I'm really excited about that, and I greatly appreciate everyone who watches my channel. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you do hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted once I upload a new video. And you can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word. And you can follow me on TikTok as well with the same name. Thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.